First spot of the day, I'm gonna throw this Yozuri top knock down this seawall, see if anybody's home. I'm throwing this on my bigger setup, 8-foot, medium heavy, fast action St. Croix Avid Inshore, paired up with my Shimano Stratic 4000. See what we can do. On. It's a jack, pretty sure. Maybe that's fighting. Yeah, just a jack. Little jack. Topwater was almost as big as him. See you.
Good morning. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's East Coast Inshore Fishing. I'm Matt McDonald. I've got my girlfriend with me today. This is Tori. And we got on the water about 6:30 this morning. I didn't film an intro because I was trying to throw the top water around before the sun got too high. It's kind of slow to start off, so we're gonna go down to the channel here, throw the cast net, see if we can't get some live shrimp, maybe some live bait fish, and throw that around today. Tide's still going out, and we've had some extremely low tides lately, so see what happens. You guys hang tight and we'll see you out there. Peace. Try one more cast here. Neutral. Got a bait fish.
Hey. Bullet?
Nope, it's a, I think it's a poke.
No, it's a jellyfish.
Yeah, poke.
those good bait?
Yep. We can keep them alive. Little sand shot. Good bait. Reverse. Neutral. got it out of gear, right?
Yeah. I've done that before. Oh my gosh. What are we doing with all these jellyfish?
Yep.
11.5.
Bait fish. We got to get back on the shrimp.
Yeah.
We're off of them now.
12.
Marking still?
Yeah.
Reverse. Reverse.
Good.
Yep, shrimp.
Hey. That's exciting. Oh, good idea. What's this?
On five.
I don't like doing this and like not being able to watch.
Huh? Well, let them stay on the ground.
Oh, here we go.
Good?
Hold on. Huh? Yeah. There's stuff here.
Neutral. Reverse. Nothing.
Really?
Nothing.
There's stuff down there.
Only a few.
Damn. Anything?
I can't see it. Yeah, shrimp. Couple. Sand trout.
Noise?
It's a decent size one. Well, we'll see what I get on this cast. More shrimp.
Hey. And a lot of jellyfish.
Reverse. Neutral. Oh shit.
Heck yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Oh shit. Might have hammered him that time, dude. Got some scrimps.
Whoa. We got bait.
That's 100 shrimps. At least. She ain't scared. Sure.
Oh no. I'm out.
Relax.
Ooh, a lot of shrimp. Some good bait fish. Oh. You want the net?
No?
It's a little hammerhead.
That
Is that a little hammerhead?
That's a legit hammerhead.
Hey, what do you...
Ooh, what do I hunt?
That's a hammerhead.
Little bycatch hammerhead.
Do you? Get it in. Little tiny mangrove. Still bigger? Uh-oh. Oh, that's a black drum. Oh no, it's not. That's a whiting. Hey, that's good to eat. Hey, got a little eating fish. That one goes in the box. Hey, look at Tori breaking the bad luck. So there's no size limit on whiting, but that's a decent size one. Good job. Catch 20 more of them. Little whiting.